Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN app to get a faster and more secure internet connection with basic protection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your device and search for Slow DNS VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app by checking the app name and icon. Install the app, then tap on Open to begin the setup. If you're new to the channel, you're very welcome here. On this channel we share apps and guides that help improve online safety and connection stability. Once the app opens, you'll need to do a few simple settings. First, tap on the server list and choose a server. For this guide, you can select a server like the United States or any server you prefer. Next, move to the DNS settings. You can keep the default option or turn on custom DNS. For this video, I recommend using the custom DNS option, which the app can set automatically for you. After that, make sure to add connection time. This is important, so the app continues working without stopping while you're using it. Once everything is ready, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and your VPN will be active. That's how you can set up Slow DNS VPN to improve your online connection and add an extra layer of protection. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, leave your feedback in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.